Hi guys, today I'm coming to you with this beautiful tool that you can use not only for the beauty purposes, it's not only for the wrinkle smoothing. You can use it to actually support your body, support your nervous system, and I'm going to show you in this video how you can do that. So the spine maps on your face are located on your nose, in the middle of your forehead, on the hairline, just before your ear, and on the edge of your jaw. And by stimulating those areas with the roller, you are actually supporting your nervous system. And when I say about spine reflexes, obviously you are not only supporting the bone part of the spine, but you are also supporting the spinal cord, the muscles that are around. You are supporting the communication in between your spine and the brain, and then between your spine and the body. So you are supporting the central nervous system and you are supporting the peripheral nervous system. And I'm going to let you know now how you can do that. So first, you're starting to roll on the maps of your spine located on your nose, and that's about 20 to 30 seconds. Then you move just in line, to your forehead, middle of the forehead, and then hairline. You can see that I'm getting a little bit reddish. That's fine. It's all good. You can do that every single day. Then you can move to your, just before your ear, and the jawline, 20 to 30 seconds each day. You can do it in the morning, in the evening, whenever it actually suits you. So whenever you really see your roller, you can just do it. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you're going to do it.